Join me as I get adjusted today at the chiropractor. This is Dr. Kennedy at Advanced Health Chiropractics in Chicago. Getting a little massage on my shoulders, and neck and back. Then she proceeds to use this other machine, I guess, to massage the spine a little bit. And now, just a little compression on the spine. I guess she's checking to see where she wants to start adjusting. And then, here comes the adjustment. Now I believe she's going to work down to my hips and do some adjusting there. Checking the length of my legs right now. And now, 1, 2, 3. Right. I'm going to turn over now. And she's going to adjust the lower back. It's my left side. All right. Then the right side. Nice. Now, I'm going to pop the neck, or I should say, adjust the neck. And now she's going to start working on my right shoulder. I've had some issues for quite some time with my right shoulder. Problems lifting it up. It's a lot better now, but she's working on mobility and function. And she's pressing very close to where the pain is. And I have to lift my arm up and guide it from one side to the next. Lift it up and then push it over. Very painful for me, but got to get it done. Grimacing in pain. That thing hurts. That was the last one. All right. Satisfied customer. Shout out to Dr. Kennedy at Advanced Health Chiropractics.